How much memory can the human brain actually store? Have you ever forgotten where you put your keys, just 5 minutes ago? Yet somehow, you remember vivid details from childhood, playing in the rain, grandma's cooking, or your kindergarten teacher's name. It's incredible. It's weird. But here's the big question: how much memory can the human brain actually store? Chapter 1: Brain Storage Capacity. Scientists estimate that the human brain can store around 2.5 petabytes of data. That's equal to 3 million hours of video, or over 300 years of non-stop Netflix. But unlike a computer, your brain doesn't store data as files or folders. It stores information associatively, through connections, emotions, and experiences. Chapter 2: Types of Memory. The brain organizes memory in different forms, each with its own storage method. Short-term memory holds 5 to 9 bits of information. Example: a new phone number. Lasts seconds to minutes. Long-term memory can last for years or even a lifetime. Divided into episodic, personal experiences; semantic, facts and general knowledge; procedural, skills like riding a bike. Chapter 3: Why we forget. If our brain holds that much information, why do we forget so often? Here's why. The brain is efficient, not perfect. Unused or irrelevant data? Deleted. Stress, lack of sleep, and multitasking? Memory killers. We remember what's emotional, repeated, or meaningful. Chapter 4: Brain versus Computer. The human brain doesn't work like a hard drive. Computers store exact files. Your brain stores meaning. When you recall a memory, you're reconstructing it, not simply reading it. And sometimes, you're even remembering things that never actually happened. So, how much memory can your brain store? The answer: way more than you think. But remember, it's not about how much you store, it's how well you retrieve and use that information. If you love science, the brain, and curious facts like this, hit like, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Because the best memories are the ones you watch till the end.